Creating page-specific call-to-action buttons. Hey there everyone! Call-to-action buttons are an essential element on any conversion-oriented website because they instruct visitors to take actions that convert, such as instructing them to click to initiate a download, to claim a coupon, or to go to a different page. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create call-to-action buttons to send visitors from specific pages on your site to your sign-up landing pages. Getting started. There are several ways to create page-specific call-to-action buttons. You can use the page editing tools provided by your content management system if you have the technical know-how, or you can use landing page builders such as OptinMonster. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to easily create call-to-action buttons with a MaxButtons plugin for WordPress. Installing MaxButtons. Start on your WordPress site dashboard. Move over the Plugins tab and then click on the Add New option. Now click on the Search plugin box. Type MaxButtons and wait while WordPress searches for the plugin. Now locate the MaxButtons plugin in the results and click on the Install Now button. Then click on Activate after the installation completes. Creating a page-specific call-to-action button. To create a call-to-action button after installing the MaxButtons plugin, you'll just have to move over the MaxButtons tab on the left-hand menu in your WordPress dashboard, and then click on the Add New option. Now it is time to edit your new call-to-action button. Start on the Basics section. First, enter a name for your button in the Button Name field. Give your buttons a name that can help you identify them by the actions you'll be asking leads to take, or by the pages you will insert them on. In our case, we are going to name our new button Landing Page. Next up, you'll have to enter or select the URL where you are going to send visitors to when they click on your new CTA button. If you are going to send visitors to an external URL, you'll simply have to type or paste the external URL address in the URL field. And if you are going to send visitors to another page or section of your site, you'll simply have to click on the Select Site Content button. Select the page where you're going to redirect your visitors, and then click on the Add Link button. In our case, we're going to funnel visitors to our landing page, so we are going to enter our landing page URL in the URL field. You can add a brief description of the content linked to your CTA button in the Button Tooltip field. This description will appear when visitors hover over your CTA button. Now you have to add your call-to-action text in the text field. We recommend you to use a verb that describes the action required to reach the content linked to the CTA, followed by the title of the content. In our case, we are going to use the word get as the verb, followed by the name of our lead magnet. Now you have to edit the size, style, and color of your button and your font. We recommend you to first set the size of the button. Large buttons get the most attention, so depending on the size of the images and the rest of the elements in your pages, we recommend you to start with a button that is anywhere between 150 pixels in width by 70 pixels in height, and to split test it against other sizes to see which one performs best. Then you have to select a font, a size, and style. Then you have to select padding and text color. In general, white text works well with any background color. Also, make sure to set text color hover as red. Next, you have to edit the border of the CTA button. Here we recommend you to select a border style that makes your button stand out from the rest of the elements on your page, and to set hover border color as red. Now you have to edit the background of the CTA button. When it comes to color, there are two guidelines that we recommend you to apply. First, green and red work best as CTA background colors. Second, background hover color should be white. Also, make sure to set border color the same color as the background color. You can additionally edit settings such as text shadow and container, as well as advanced button settings. Once you are done creating your new CTA button, you'll just have to click on Save, inserting the call to action button on a specific page. Now that your new call to action button is ready, you can copy the short code corresponding to your button, which is provided by the plugin in the button section, and paste on specific pages or sections of your site, or simply by adding the button to a page with the page editor. Let's show you how with an example. We want to add our new CTA button to our site's navigation bar. So we're going to move over to the Appearance tab and click on the Customize option. On the following page, we are going to click on the Widgets tab, and then on the Sidebar option. Now we're going to click on Add a Widget, and then on Custom HTML. Now we'll simply paste the CTA button shortcode in the first line of the content code area. Now we'll click on Done. And then we're going to drag the custom HTML widget to the top of the sidebar widget area. Now we only have to click on Publish to save the changes to go back to the dashboard. Now we can check our CTA button by going to our site. Awesome!